walk out here and we'll show you what our alignment machine looks like and our tire balancers, and we can go take a walk around.
All right, that sounds great.
We need Josh to have an integrity shirt on, not a Nissan. As we come back here, here's our computerized four-wheel alignment machine. We can do pretty much every car, light truck on the road here at the shop. We can drive it in the bay. We can put it on the alignment rack.
Oh, okay, great.
As we proceed over this way, you see we got some old tires here. We've been doing some tire work, a couple of new tires. If you head on this way, tire balancers, tire changers, wheel weights for the balancer. We do have our bulk oil here for when we're doing the oil changes on the cars.
Do you have a lot of customers, regular customers that come to you for these services?
Yeah, we have lots of regular customers now. We've
Yeah.
been over 2 years here, but great people here in the Lake and Locust Grove area.
Awesome.
Some of the cars we're working on in here, we got BMWs, Dodges, Fords. Kind of got the make out of Subaru outside. We've got a 56 Bel Air out in the other shop. So we're kind of, like I said, all makes and models.
Yeah.
Anything we work on.
That's great.
We do have a small parts department here with filters, cabin air filters, engine air filters, oil filters, so we can try to do some of the maintenance here without having to wait on parts. That's a big problem out here is trying to get parts.
Right.
So we do try to do it. We do have delivery schedules from Auto Parts 3 times a day at least, sometimes more depending on what we need to order.